We have just finished the connection, so it's ready for the testing. We have just to wait. It's ready. It's already finished, and let's go inside. There we go. It's already completed the electrical wiring, and also we have already installed light, and here it's ready. So for today we have our visitors, my sister, because I invited her also with her husband to witness our switch on for today, and of course my brother Joy also visit us here in my Sweetplate house. So because for today I'm going to switch on the Twitter, or the sounds that calls birds, so I have to show you. Here, this is they asked me about where the birds to build their nest, and I told them that the birds will build their nest in the wood plank that would have groove, so that the bird can hold, and they can easy for them to build their nest. And once again, this is the pond. I have to put fish on this pond, and I have to cover this with screen so that the birds will not go there. They will not. Ginan ako, pero naman siya simba man sila karon. Wala na akong madala. Dili po mayo sa doon kay kuan. Ay arong orasa. Madisturbo sila mayo. Kana sa manay siya on Twitter. Napa. Have to turn off the light. We have already our recorded voice or sound of the birds, so we have to put this in our amplifier so that we can see the birds go inside in this building. But now we don't have yet, so we have to insert this. And also here, have to put this in here. so that the birds will go here. There's no bird yet. So after a few minutes from now, we have to go back here so that we can see the birds flying around in this building. Our visitors are also watching our sound system played here. So this is now, look at the outside. Have to walk at the outside. Daghang visitor. So, look at the birds. They attract the sounds that we play. In English, utani yun. Ikaw nung pa in English, El. Kayo, aulaw ka ni daghang naminaw. Hala.
May music, no?
Anong tinugang?
Tinugang.
Ito na.
Daghanang nakasulod.
Ato ng palungang suga sa sulod. Palungang suga. Here we'll really see the birds flying around because of our sound system that we played. Here, look at. Kita na mo? Na mama, di na mo tanaw? Okay. Ayaw na.
Ala na, nag-video ako.
Ay, hindi, kay Tinog lang. Hindi lang yung Tinog, pero di sila manok.
Galibot ang station. Dia gimana apa yang music yang